Good morning to everyone. I am Brigadier Vidya Sagar, former president of an ex-servicemen association known as T Seva. I served in the Indian Army in Corps of Engineers, Bombay Cyprus for 32 years and retired on March 2004. Since then, I am settled down in Secunderabad. I just would like to tell you something about this ex-servicemen association known as T Seva. Now, in the year 2015, some of the ex-servicemen settled down in Secunderabad felt that there is a need for us to raise an ex-servicemen association to redress the grievances of Telugu speaking states, that is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, with the governments of the state governments and also the central government. They gathered for the first time in Secunderabad and formed an association. They got a registration certificate from the Registrar of Societies in Secunderabad, and they were given registration number 495 of 2015. The ex-servicemen had their first general body meeting in June 2015 in Secunderabad. They elected 7 out of them as the management committee members. The management committee comprised of 1 president, 2 vice presidents, 1 general secretary, 1 treasurer, and 2 joint secretaries from Army, Navy, Air Force, and also from the officers, JSOS and OR. The present strength of this association, known as Tri-Services Ex-Servicemen Welfare Association, in short T Seva, is 15,000. Initially, the aim was only to have members from the 2 Telugu-speaking states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. But when they started working in good measure, number of ex-servicemen from other states in the country also approached and said that they also would like to become members. That's how this ex-servicemen association, in a very short span of time, started having members from all over India. Seeing the good work being done by this association, ex-servicemen settled down in foreign countries like United States of America, Canada, United Kingdom, Norway, Malaysia, Australia, and Nepal. They also joined T Seva as members. What does the management committee of T Seva do? Their aim is basically to redress the grievances of ex-servicemen, and they have confined only to 3 subjects. T Seva doesn't get you a land or a house site. It just confines itself for 3 issues. One is the awareness programs where the members of the management committee go to various places in the country, explain to the ex-servicemen and the family pensioners what is their entitlement of pension. As per the experience, it is seen almost 80 to 85% of the pensioners do not know their own pension. So they sit with the pensioners, see their documents, and tell them either you are getting a correct pension or you are not getting your pension. There are cases where some pensioners were overpaid. Thank you.